Welcome to Knowi. In this video, I will go over the principles of Cloud9QL, where you can access more information, and then follow this up with some examples. Cloud9QL is Knowi's own SQL-like syntax that can be used to powerfully transform the data you have exposed to the platform as and when needed. Its use is optional, but we find that almost all of our customers use it in one way or another to help prep their data. Source data can sometimes be messy and in need of scrubbing or enhancing before any further analysis or data visualizations can be performed. Cloud9QL allows you to easily transform, clean, and perform post-processing tasks on your data, and as the source data technology is abstracted due to the native connectivity nature of our platform, this can all be achieved easily by the SQL-like syntax. There is no one-size-fits-all, so the ability to leverage the power of Cloud9QL exists throughout the platform and can be performed as and when required or dictated by your use cases. Before I demonstrate where within the Knowi product you can use Cloud9QL, let's take a little peek at the documentation. All Knowi documentation can be found on our fully searchable documentation portal at docs.knowi.com. Simply enter the topic and you will be presented with documentation, release notes, and any community posts that contain that criteria. In this instance, I entered Cloud9 and navigated over to the main landing page. Cloud9QL has many pre-built functions that allow you to deal with such things as basic querying, string manipulation, and number and date manipulation, through to more complex case statements, data injection in the case of missing attributes, cohort analysis, and even the creation of additional data for derived datasets using our append function. I will now demonstrate the use of some of these features and also where Cloud9QL can be used. To demonstrate some of the uses of Cloud9QL, I'm going to start with the query builder. So I'm going to head over and create a new query. I'm going to create a Mongo query. I'm going to call it clicks. Here we go, Mongo. And I'm going to select the email demo collection. And I'm going to point and click and just get some of my metrics. So customer, the campaign name, what the message was, the date, and the number of opens maybe, and the number of clicks maybe. Okay, so as I'm pointing and clicking here, you can see that the native query is building over here. I'm going to just very quickly preview the first 100 things I get back. What we did there was we sent the query down to the data source and brought back the results. So yes, this is these look good to me. So here we have Cloud9QL, and this is the first place that you can start using it. And what this allows you to do is extra things on the data that you've received back here. So I'm going to first of all, get everything I've got back. Now, again, this is now SQL-like. So I'm going to get everything I got back there. And I'm also going to do some manipulation on one of these fields. So I might take the, for example, the date field and do something with that. So I might say that I want date format, which is a Cloud9QL function, on the date field. And I want to get the day. I want to extract the day out of that date. And I'm going to call it day. So let's see what happened there if I preview. There we go. We have a new field now called day, which is literally extracting the day value out of the date field. So as you can see, I went to Mongo, I got my results back, and then I did some basic manipulation using Cloud9QL on that to derive a new field called day. Now, not all of my data lives in Mongo. Some of it lives somewhere else. So I'm going to also at this point take the opportunity to show you how to join across data sets. So here we go. I'm going to join here and it's going to ask me what to. So I'm going to choose another data source. In this instance, I'm going to choose MySQL. And it's going to ask me now, well, what table do I want? Where does my data live basically in MySQL? So it lives in the customer table. And again, I point and click and I get my metrics. I could also type my MySQL query in directly if I wanted to, but I'm not going to here. So I'm going to click on, I need customer, and I probably want maybe state. So here we have the customer state, and here we have that customer's campaign details here. So what we need to do is join the Mongo with the MySQL to get the data set that we're after, and also with the derived day field that we've used Cloud9QL for. So I need to join these two together. So I can type the join criteria in directly, but I'm going to use the join builder, and I'm going to do just a basic inner join. The left hand side of my equation was Mongo, so my key field there was customer, and my right hand side in this instance was MySQL, and my key field there was also customer, and I'm going to join them together. Now I'm going to do a very quick preview to see what happened. So here we've got the information coming from Mongo. Here's the little bit of manipulation that we did from that Mongo data to get the day value, and here's the state value that's coming out of MySQL. And I can join as much as I like across different data sources. For more information on how to get the best out of Knowi, please visit knowi.com/university. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.